here we go. Taking off. We're gonna head to the reef now.
That's it. All right.
Oh yeah, you got it.
It's very, very soft.
Here we go, heading to the reef.
Keep backing up.
Shoot some groupers, huh?
Bringing home groupers.
Shoot some groupers and some snappers. Yep. Oh, we got our shrimp. We're ready to roll now. Gonna untie and head out. Whoa, made it to the reef. We got some chum thrown out. I'll show you where. Got chum on a chum net. Shake it out. You see little particles around there? There's already fish showing up. I don't know what yet, but something's showing up. Out here in the ocean, there's quite a bit of current, and we take, if there's, like today, there's not much current, so I just have a hook on. You just take a hook. I got a fluorocarbon leader tied to some braid. Got a little, just a bare hook, piece of squid on it. We're gonna throw it out and just feed it line, feed it line, feed it line, and at some point, if a fish gets on it, it'll take off and it'll peel the line. You shut your bail and start reeling, you pull a fish in, but hopefully we'll start catching them pretty soon. We just got the chum out. So. I got a fish, I think. It's peeling line. I'm gonna close the bail. I got something. He ain't very big, I don't think, but. Oh, it's a nice yellowtail. I don't know if he's a keeper. We're gonna measure him. But that's kind of the idea right there. I think it's a keeper. You're the king of dropping fish in the water. Look at him right there. He's not very colorful, but he swallowed my bait. That's a yellowtail snapper. All right, we caught our first keeper yellowtail. He's about 13.5 inches. They gotta be 12 to keep him, so he's going in the box. First fish in. Oh, Dad's on something good, it looks like. Oh, it pulled off?
Well, no, there it is again.
Oh, he's got a good fish. Oh, it's a big fish.
What is that?
Oh, it's a freaking remora. Dad caught a remora. At least you got to catch a pretty big fish. He fought. You got to set your drag probably. I need to set mine too.
Dang sharp. How you get that out? We need some pliers.
I don't think he's. Yeah, I think you're good to go on him. I don't know how big it is or what it is, but got another fish. Come on, be another keeper yellow. Oh, he pulled. No, he didn't. We're good. Oh, it's a good yellowtail. It's a really good yellowtail. Holy cow. Holy cow, dude. Good one.
Where are them at?
I just let it go for a long ways. Let it drift out a long ways, and then I might have to kill him and pull my hook back. Cause
Definitely keeper though.
Definitely keeper. Hold on. That's 2 yellowtail on the day. That's a good yellowtail. Not even one of the bigger ones I've ever caught.
Nice.
It's probably 13 or 14 inches anyways. Not a giant, but. Yeah, oh heck yeah, he's a keeper. Uh-oh, Dad's on something good here. It looked like it. It looks like it pulled pretty hard. Hope it's a keeper. It might be a keeper. That's probably a keeper. That's a keeper for sure, dude. I think. I bet he's 12 inches. I think so too. Oh, he might
Come
not
on,
be.
Captain, get him off there quickly.
And then what he's telling you all go, this is a trip you pay for, huh? That's what
Yeah.
captains do, dog.
I'm gonna pay you. I'm gonna take my fish off.
All right, let's check it. Oh, check the measurement here. I might have a fish on.
Hey, look at that. Keeper. Hey, did it make it?
Oh, hey, I got a fish. Oh, he came off. Dang it, he came off. I had a good fish. Dang it.
Seaweed.
No, I had a
Seaweed.
fish.
Dylan, I see seaweed come off.
Oh, I promise.
So right here, for whatever reason, my microphone cut out. I don't know if it disconnected or if the batteries died or what, but I didn't get any audio for about the next hour of fishing. But we did end up catching a whole bunch of fish, and we had a blast. I think we ended with 8 yellowtails, and we caught all kinds of other fish like grunts and remoras and groupers and all kinds of cool stuff. But like I said, there's no audio, and this isn't going to be the last of the no audio. This video was riddled with technical difficulties. I'm slowly adding new stuff to the channel, new cameras, new microphones, things like that. And when you add those things, there's just a transition period of learning how to work them. And like I said, I kind of screwed this one up, but still wanted to make the video because it was such a fun memory. We had some some great fishing action this day. Some of the best I've ever been on, so I want to go ahead and make a video. And for the record, this isn't where the technical difficulties end. You're going to see right here in the next clip, when I go underwater, I guess my GoPro housing has a scratch directly where the camera lens is at. I don't know what's the problem. When I went back and checked it out, it all looked normal, but the videos were super foggy. So, again, sorry for that. I'm trying to get better at this. And then, unfortunately, the entire cooking session, I got a new camera, and I've been using it. It's like a Sony camera, and I somehow recorded the entire cooking session in slow motion with no audio. So that's something that's another problem here. This video right here, that's would have been my PB mangrove snapper. You probably can't tell in the video, but that thing was huge. I bet that was an 18 to 20 inch mangrove. And I got my brother's gun here. I don't know how to work it, and it's on safety. So he hears me looking it over, absolutely furious, trying to find where the safety's at. And I'm yelling at him here trying to figure it out. But anyways, missed that one. But there's a lot of good action on this one. So I'm gonna let these clips play out, and I'll just do a couple voiceovers at a couple different times. Hope you enjoy it.
Hey, where's your picture 10 inches?
Here's a really cool clip. This is my first red grouper. If you see at the top of the screen, you can see that fish sitting off the edge of that reef. Doesn't look too big here, but when you get closer, you'll see that is a monster red grouper. And so I swim down. Most of the time, red grouper kind of give you a good shot. They're territorial, and they'll stand their ground a lot of the time. This one's what this one does. He just kind of sits there, and I popped him. He gave me a great shot, stone shot, right in the head, and he didn't make a commotion or anything. No sharks came up. I was so excited here. This is like a 25-inch red grouper, which is a big one.
Look at this. Got the couple red. Got to keep it red, dude.
That's freaking awesome. How did you find that?
They're just laying on the open over there. Woohoo! We got the best eating fish in the ocean right here. I gotta get that shot. Make sure I know he is. That's what's. It's just green everywhere. Oh, we don't. How deep is this? Ah, man, I just missed a big mutton snapper. Yeah.
So this is one of my favorite fishing memories ever, and it is absolutely hilarious. If you were there, like, you would understand it. But What we were doing was trolling, which is where someone drives a boat and there's ropes hanging off the boat, and we just kind of move around and hold on to the ropes and we look for stuff. I saw a couple mackerels swimming down there, so I go down and I shoot one, and hear him coming up. It was kind of a haphazard shot. It was barely hanging in there, and I'm yelling at Dalton, giving him 2, which is a sign for second shot. And I don't know what he's doing. He's just like not paying attention. I finally come up. I'm like, shoot it! So he goes down and puts a second shot in it. So that means we have both of our guns fired off. When we get the fish in, Dalton goes to, with my brother Dalton, he goes to, cuts the belly open of it, and he's like gutting the fish and bleeding it out. And when he's doing that, this huge amberjack swims up. And you can hear in a second, Dalton's like, give me another gun, there's an amberjack. And I remember popping out of the water and telling Dad, like, hold on, he's about to go for the ride of his life. And then absolutely all heck breaks loose, and it is so chaotic. This giant, they call them reef donkeys, it's an amberjack. It just tangles everything up. Dad's trying to stab it in the head. Dalton's trying to avoid the knife. And they pull it in the boat, and it falls out of the boat and hits us right in the head, and it goes all the way back down to the bottom. It was just chaos, but it was so funny and such a fun, like just a fun time. So you can enjoy this one.
This is awesome. Dalton, come up here. He's about to have the fight of his life. Hold on.
This thing is like flapping its tail violently, and it is absolutely wearing us out. It is just whooping us. And Dalton, you can hear him screaming, help me, help me. We're trying to get Dad to help us pull it in the boat. He drops it, falls back on our head. It just beat the dog out of us, but it was such a funny situation.
To the brain, Dad. It's all good. Everyone, don't freak out. We're good. Dad, pull him in. We need help. Stop screaming, okay? Quit.
It's caused so much commotion up to this point that I start really worrying about sharks, and that's when I'm like, hey y'all, like now it's time to let's get this thing pulled in, pull this sucker in. I want out of the water, and I'm trying to get untangled. I look up, Dalton's flopping out. He's getting in the boat. He's done had enough. We're both scared to death of sharks. He's getting out and left me in there to hang. You can see it go right back to the bottom. I have to go pull it back up, and we finally get in the boat and get it secured. But it was just a chaotic turn of events.
Pull the spear gun in. We're about to... Dude, y'all better hurry. Oh, it's out of the water right now.
That was a bastard.
Dude, look at me. I'm...
That's what I do. Don't want to get caught by a shark right now.
No, dude, this is a bad deal. We gotta get out of here. This is a bad deal. Let me out of here.
I tried to stone shot her on, barely shot behind her.
Dude, that is a monster. Your spear stuck me in the leg so hard.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No, you're good. Got us an amberjack. Huge. I was like, I don't want an amberjack. Dad's like, why don't you want an amberjack? Like that right there. That sucker's huge.
I get to unload the fish now. A nice mackerel. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Where's the eagle from, dog?
5, 6, 7, 8 nice yellowtails. A nice grouper. Wow. 2 of the mackerels. And this giant guy.
So this is where I record the entire hour's worth of cooking in slow motion with no volume. And again, I'm super sorry about that. I didn't have any idea that was happening. But one thing I want to say is that amberjack, I've heard a lot of people say amberjacks aren't that great. Amberjack blew me away. I could not believe how good it was. But overall, made a fantastic meal. Got to hang out with the whole family, and everybody enjoyed each other and good food. And just the overall win and a fantastic time.
We got some sashimi, dumplings, fried rice, yellowtail snapper and grouper steamed, okra, grouper with black garlic and cavenders, and then some more, what are they called, dumplings. All right, Dalton, try the sashimi. This is Schoolmaster sashimi. Yeah, that's fire.
Schoolmaster.
Karen even liked it.
That's pretty good.
It's pretty good, huh? I love it. I was pumped about it. The sashimi.
That's not bad. You try it? Give me one piece of that.
How was dinner? It was great.
Good.
It was great.
Karen, how was dinner?
Great.
Decker, how was dinner?
Great.
Great. Everybody thought it was good to eat.
Fantastic.
Fantastico, huh?
Freshest seafood you can ever get.
How was
I
that?
thought it was fantastic. Yeah, we shot most of this fish. Actually, yeah, all this fish was swimming like 6
4
hours ago.
Yeah.
That's hilarious because like in every video I say like this fish was swimming 3 hours ago or something. I'm always putting a time limit on when it was swimming. But anyways, it's that fresh. I think my favorite was.
What time is it?
I think my favorite was the grouper that Karen's mom made.
I really like the yellowtail, the Asian style with the garlic. I think that's really good. The grouper, the black one is amazing.
The black and the grouper.
Yeah, all around very
I
good.
love them. I love
Especially
that.
something-
That's what I like.